So today we're going to be focusing on a yoga sequence that's going to be about dismantling the ego through the identification of our bodies. This whole month we're really working on releasing this obsession with the way our bodies look and instead turning our attention inward to focus on how we feel, to achieve the life of our dreams, the body of our dreams, the health of our dreams, live a soul-led life by going inward. So this practice is going to be very gentle, very loving, and I invite you for the majority of the class to please keep your eyes closed. Trust me, trust the sound of my voice, trust your support, trust your own body. And if you need to open your eyes to see what I'm doing, go ahead, and then as quickly as you can, close them again, going back inward. First, let's begin in a really comfortable seated position. Shoulders are down and back, string at the top of your head pulling you up nice and high as we tuck the chin, close the eyes, and take our awareness to our breath. Feel that breath entering into your nose and follow that fresh breath all the way down into the belly. Allow the belly to grow like Buddha belly. Fill up the lungs, the chest rises at the top. We open the mouth and we exhale. We release everything that's no longer serving us. Let it all out, pushing out every last bit of oxygen. Deep inhale. Send this breath down to the base of your spine, filling up fully and completely. Open the mouth and release, releasing all the way. And one more, just like that. Deep inhale. Send this breath down to the tips of your toes, sending fresh oxygen to every cell in your body. Open your mouth and release it all. Gently begin to take in all of the sounds around you. Noticing how you feel. Invite the mind to rest for now. And bring your awareness to your center. If you don't remember or you never watched the video of how to find the center, just take your attention inward and notice where you feel drawn to the most. For the majority of women, it's in our hearts or in the solar plexus, the area between the ribs and belly button. And if you're still having issues, I invite you to pause this video and go to the meditation of finding your center. And once you find your center, just take a couple nice deep breaths here. Allowing your mind to become even quieter. And take a moment now, and I invite you to imagine the absolute best version of who you are. The best version of who you could possibly be. Allow this woman to come into your mind, feel all the feels. This is the woman that your loved ones around you see in you. When people look at you, this version is exactly who they see. This is you. Let's take a big breath in, breathing that in. open the mouth and let it go. So there's no need to obsess anymore over what people think of you, what you look like, what you're wearing, what you are on the outside, what this shell is. Because our people already see the real you. They see what's inside of you. So inhale and reach your arms up high overhead. Allow the palms to touch. Exhale the hands down to the heart and bow your forehead to the fingertips. Sealing that in, bow to yourself. Bow to your inner self here. And next, inhale, rise up, big stretch, and then allow the arms to flow out wide at your sides. Walk the fingertips gently behind you, allowing them to touch. If you can't reach your fingertips together, that's okay. And then shoulders back, heart forward, lift the chin, shine your heart. Breathing deep. Today we're going to invite Shakti to enter. We're going to awaken her. The Shakti is when we start to shake in our yoga class. This is removing all the crap that's no longer serving. And also to remove the identification of the ego, we're going to sweat it out a bit. We're going to be focusing on some more balance. And I invite you to just allow yourself to be exactly where you are today. Not placing any judgments, not obsessing over where you are, what you can or cannot do. Just be and love every inch of that. And let's gently walk the hands back and front, reaching forward. Let's just find a nice big stretch here. Bow, forehead down. And then walk the hands into the body and make your way to all fours. Taking the wrists under shoulders, knees under the hips, belly buttons pulled up to the spine. And remember, we push away from the mat, really clawing into all 10 fingerprints, heart shining towards to the sky or the ceiling. And the tops of the feet are flat on the mat. We'll inhale, drop the belly, open the heart, lift the chin. Exhale, chin to chest, really push away from your mat. Inhale, drop the belly, look forward. And exhale, chin to chest. And just a gentle reminder here, keep your eyes closed as much as possible. Find your breath. Continuing these on your own. And one more. On your inhale, come back to center, flat back. Let's immediately begin to heat up the body, inviting in the Shakti. Big breath in, exhale, lift the knees, hovering table. Make sure you're still clawing into your fingerprints. Breathe and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release the knees, walk the hands out in front. Let's curl the toes under, hips up and back, downward facing dog. Pedal out the feet as you get here. Inviting one heel to the mat, followed by the other. Move nice and slow, walking your dog out. Find the movement that feels good. Bend the knees, belly to the tops of the thighs, whatever works. And do not place any judgment on where your heels are. Mine hardly ever reach the mat. It doesn't matter. Be gentle, give yourself that grace. And on your next inhale, look forward at the hands and exhale, tiptoe up to the top of your mat. Knee in a forward fold. Big toes come together, slight separation in the heels. We bring the weight up towards the balls of the feet. Bend the knees as much as you need so that the palms are flat on the mat. Allow the shoulders to round, heads heavy, shake it yes and no. Let it all go. Just warming up the body before we flow. If ragdoll feels good, please find that. On your next inhale, belly button up towards the spine, come up halfway, flat back, your version. Just make sure your hands are not on your knees. Invite the elbows to each other as if you wanted them to kiss. Exhale, fold. Inhale, slow rise all the way up. Think one vertebrae at a time. We reach those arms up high overhead, big beach ball. Arms are strong, yet shoulders are away from the ears. Inhale, find length. Exhale, slight back bend. Open the heart past his arms. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, cactus. And one more. Inhale, find length. Exhale, cactus. Inhale, big stretch. Exhale, lead with the heart, forward fold. Plant the palms, step back into your plank. Wrists under the shoulders. Heels spiking to the back of the mat. Belly buttons up, butt down. And exhale, elbows hugged in tight. Slowly lower to the belly. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, release. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, release. On your next inhale, straighten the arms, shoulders back, heart forward. And next exhale, float it down. Big breath in, exhale, knees and downward facing dog. Inhale, lift that right leg up high. Exhale, nose to knee, top of the body is in plank. Really push away from your mat, knee up to the nose. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, nose to knee. And the final three-legged dog. Exhale, nose to knee. Step that right foot through, lower the left knee. Left toes either curled under or foot flat on the mat. Squeeze the inner thighs together. Make sure that right knee is in line with the ankle and behind the toes. And then next inhale, we'll rise up. Thumbs back, pinkies forward. Really squeeze those thighs together. Breathe. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, cactus. Open the heart. Inhale, find length. Exhale, cactus. Last one. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, cactus. Inhale, reach. Exhale, frame that front foot. Step back into your plank. Big breath in. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg up high. Exhale, nose to knee. Find your strength. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, nose to knee. And the final three-legged dog. Exhale, nose to knee. Step it through, low lunge. Lower the right knee. Squeeze the inner thighs together. Make sure that left knee is safe, in line with the ankle, behind the toes. And then we'll inhale, rise up, low lunge. Breathe. If you feel unbalanced here, squeeze your inner thighs together even tighter. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, open. Inhale, find length. Exhale, open. And the final, inhale, lengthen. Exhale, open. Inhale, big reach. Exhale, frame that foot. Step back into your plank. Big breath in. Belly buttons pulled up tight. Exhale, downward facing dog. Going right back into it again. Inhale, right leg up high. Exhale, this time right knee to right tricep. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to left tricep. Cross it over. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, nose to knee. Step it through. Low lunge. Keep the left knee lifted this time. Take your time getting here, making sure you're nice and safe. When you're ready, inhale, rise up. Lunge. Beautiful. Such a strong, powerful pose here. Inhale, lengthen spine. Exhale, open the heart. Inhale, find your length. Exhale, open. And the final, lengthen and open. Inhale, find length. Exhale, frame that front foot. stay nice and light on the fingertips here. Now we're going to find a balance. We're going to go from a low lunge to tree pose. Here we go. Begin to straighten through that right leg, beginning to come to a stand. Try not to release that left foot to the mat and find your tree. So your tree, you can have your toes, your left toes gently on the mat and the ankle, on your shin or inner thigh. Just make sure you're not on the knee. You can have your hands at your heart, at the side, or fullest expression overhead. So here we are in our tree pose. Breathe. Remember, if you didn't get here that as gracefully as you would have wanted, it doesn't matter. Love where you are, accept where you are. Let's slowly come out of the tree by catching ourselves in a high lunge. Big breath in. Exhale, hands to the mat. Kick that left leg up behind, standing splits. Inviting nose to right knee. Soft bend in the right knee and breathe. Catch yourself. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, frame the front foot, step back into your plank. Let's vinyasa. Belly to cobra or chaturanga to upward facing dog. Meet in down dog. Beautiful. Inhale, left leg up high. Exhale, knee to left tricep. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to right tricep. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, nose to knee. Step it through, low lunge. Right knee lifted, shoulders back, heart forward. Check that knee, make sure you're safe. Inhale, rise up. High lunge. Strong pose. Beautiful. Breathe deep. Breathe through the shake. Remembering, releasing everything that's no longer serving. Inhale, lengthen spine. Exhale, open heart. Inhale, find length. Exhale, open. Final. Lengthen. Open. Lengthen. Frame that front foot. And here we go. Finding your tree on the left side. Move nice and slow. Take your time, find your full expression. Breathe deep. If you're having a really hard time with your balance, quiet your mind. You can also stand next to something to help keep you up. You can also look at the ground for something that doesn't move. This is your drishti. Slowly release, catching yourself, high lunge. Exhale, frame the front foot, light on the fingerprints, right knee up, right foot up, standing splits. Soft bend in left knee. Here we go, catch yourself, high lunge, big breath in, arms up. Exhale, frame that front foot, vinyasa. Knee and down dog. Repeating one more time. Moving a little bit quicker. Here we go. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to right tricep. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to left tricep. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, nose to knee. Step it through, low lunge. Shoulders back, heart forward. Next breath in, rise up, high lunge. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, open heart. Inhale, find length. Exhale, cactus. Final one. Lengthen and cactus. Big breath in. Exhale, frame that foot. Find your tree on the right side. Take your time getting here. Find your expression. Couple breaths. Slowly release, catch yourself. High lunge. Inhale. Exhale, frame that front foot. Inhale, left leg up, nose to knee. Standing splits. Next breath in, catch yourself, high lunge, arms reach up nice and high. Exhale, frame that front foot. Long breath out as we vinyasa. Meeting in down dog. Final time. Inhale, three-legged dog, left leg up. Exhale, knee to left tricep. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to right tricep. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, step it through, nose to knee. Gently placing the left foot down. Shoulder stack part forward. Inhale, rise up, high lunge. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, open the heart. Inhale, find length. Exhale, open. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, open. Inhale, find length. Exhale, frame that foot. Coming up for your tree pose. Take your time finding your full expression. Couple breaths. Slowly release, catch yourself. High lunge, inhale. Exhale, frame that front foot. Light on the fingers. Right leg kicks up. Nose towards left knee. Standing split. Next breath in, catch yourself. And one more high lunge. Arms reach up nice and high. Exhale, frame the front foot. Final vinyasa. Meet in downward facing dog. Couple breaths here. Slowly walk your hands or your feet towards your hands. Find your seat. Take yourself all the way down. Finding a little gentle movement here. You can windshield wiper your legs back and forth. Happy baby. Whatever it is that feels good right now. Breathing. Honoring yourself for your practice. Honoring yourself for exactly where you are today. Remembering that if you can just focus on how you feel, everything will fall into place. There's no need to obsess over the outer appearance because those around you think that you are pure magic. Find your Shavasana, legs out nice and long, arms out wide. Stay here for as long as you desire. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste.